How to create multiple hotel options. To give multiple hotel options in a single package, find package type/categories. Option under Basic Details. Here, by selecting pencil icon in the pop-up, rename Default Deluxe option and add multiple options using Add More as per your requirement. Then save. After this, while editing hotels, click on Copy button at right corner. Then in the pop-up, select Required Target option. With this, now you can add replacement hotel options along with existing hotel. Select the number of hotel options for replacement option from the drop-down. Save settings by selecting Copy Over. Now you will see that Option 1 and Option 2 are created in your quotation for hotels.